Hello guys, welcome back again to Hex DNF. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is the accounting approach part 2. Looking for private Excel classes? Need to get done a research paper, fix a document, or a class routine? If yes, you are on the right place. Scan the QR code or go to the channel bio and click on any of the links indicated. Bye bye. So, the main step for this video is to rewrite the balance sheet. The second step is to separate short-term assets from short-term liabilities. Step 3. Move short-term liabilities to the left side. Finally, let's fix out the equity. Remember, assets equal debt plus equity. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, leave me a like or any comment below. See you for the next chapter, Accounting Approach Part 3, Caterpillar Case. Stay tuned for Accounting Approach Part 3, Caterpillar Case. Bye bye. Didn't watch the last 2 videos? No problem. Click on any of these and stay ahead. Subscribe.